What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock any smartphone. It doesn't matter if it's a Samsung or a Motorola or an iPhone, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone so that you're able to use it with any other GSM carrier. I'm going to do it together with you step by step. I have unlocked more than 100 phones using this method and it works perfectly. You only need your computer, your smartphone, and you need a SIM card from a different carrier. And that's all you need, and without further ado, let's begin. So to start, we're gonna get the phone's IMEI number. That's a unique number for every phone. So to get it, simply dial *#06#. As you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear in the screen of your phone. This number is very important. It represents the ID of your phone, and keep it somewhere close because we're gonna use it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Okay, now we're gonna switch to the computer. In this website, we will request the remote unlocking of this phone. So we're gonna start by filling up the information here. As you can see here, there's a form, and now you just have to wait. You have to wait until they send you your unlock code. This may take 5 minutes and up to 3 or 10 business days. It depends on every brand. I'm gonna show you my personal email account so that you can see how the email will look like. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, just leave them on the comment section down below and we will try to answer them as quick as possible. Thanks so much. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and I'll see you on the next one.